What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. It's been a long minute since I've made a video here on YouTube, but I'm super excited about this new launch happening this Friday, August 23rd. And this year has been going by really fast, right? And that's why I'm super excited to launch this project for anybody that is interested in earning $1,200 per commission, instant commissions, 100% commissions, where you have the reselling rights to this digital product and start earning those high ticket commissions. Now, we have 4 months left out of the year, right? We have September, October, November, December. August is almost done. We have 10 more days in August to prepare our next strategy on how are we going to finish 2024 with a bang. And so this is such a great opportunity. So I want to go ahead and talk about how can you have the ability to earn instant $1,200 per commission starting this Friday, August 23rd. And for all of you that are existing members with an IPS, right? If you're already an existing member, right, you would only have to pay the difference. Now, if you're completely brand new, right, to IPS, okay, it would be $1,200 to get started plus a $99 admin fee, right? One time. There are no monthly payments. And we have tons of great training. And what we're going to be focusing on with this new launch is how to use the power of AI to generate your next six figures, right? A lot of you have already generated six figures online with your affiliate marketing businesses, right? But this is going to show you how to use the power of artificial intelligence to, scale up within your business, to launch your next digital product. And while you're learning that, you're going to have the ability to earn $1,200 per commission. So just imagine that. I'm actually going to go ahead and launch here my video here, the new sales page. 90-day executive challenge, 20K in 90 days, earn instant $1,200 commissions when you become while you become a pro digital marketer. So I'm just going to scroll down here, and you're going to be able to see these full details so that you can know how to get started on August 23rd. Okay, that's when that's when the site is going to be available. If you're somebody that is interested, I will leave my website down below so you can go ahead and get the full details and get started. Now, you won't have to create your own product, right? You won't have to create your own VSL. You won't have to create your content. You won't have to get graphics designed. You don't have to write the sales copy. You don't have to build your own sales funnel. You don't have to create your own members area. You don't have to get on the phone with your customers. You don't have to write any email follow-ups, and you won't have to split any commissions, right? With this new launch, right? Everything's going to be given to you. You're going to have a high converting sales funnel that you can just copy and paste, right? And you're going to have a really cool tools working on behalf of you. Now, are you ready for the 90-day challenge? Imagine earning $1,200 per commission from anywhere in the world as long as you have Wi-Fi connection. Now, what would that look like, right? That's the question. So if you were to generate 3 sales per week, that would be $3,600 in 1 week. Now, if you would earn $3,600, right, in 4 weeks, in 1 month, you would be generating $14,400. Now, let's say that every month, right, you would be generating 14,400 times 12 months in a year. That would help you generate an extra $172,000, right? Earning $1,200 high ticket per commission. And I always say this, it takes the same amount of effort to generate a $50 commission versus an $1,200 commission, right? So what would it look like, right, if you had that ability to be in this bracket? And again, we don't guarantee results, but we show you what is possible. So if you're somebody that wants to get into high ticket, $1,200 per commission versus just earning small little $50 per commission, right? This is a great opportunity for you. If you also want to learn how to use the power of artificial intelligence, right, to get up and running to generate your next six figures, I am offering some special bonuses where I'm going to show you 300 plus ways to make money with ChatGPT. You're going to get access to the digital product masterclass. You're going to get access to TikTok ad mastery, your guide to advertising on the world's fastest growing up. And then you're also going to get access to the Etsy tips and tricks. And then also you're going to get access to 21 ideas for AI generated lead magnets. Now, with this 20K 90-day challenge, you're going to learn how to maximize your income, right? Using ChatGPT and other artificial intelligence. So now what is it that you get? Here's everything that you're going to get when you get started at the $1,200 level. Okay, that's the executive marketer level. You're going to get access to the training module 20K 90 days challenge. I'm going to give you everything that you need, all the material, all the marketing material to get you up and running, right? That's a $297 value. You're going to get access to the maximize earnings with ChatGPT training. You're going to get access to AI, artificial intelligence for productivity. You're going to get access to unlock the power of AI, transform your video marketing strategy. You're going to get access to how to use powerful software and AI to create your next course. And you're going to get access to the $1,000 payday strategy. You're going to get access to big profits with Etsy, how to earn multiple streams of income with TikTok. This is a brand new training. How to do paid ads to generate unlimited traffic with TikTok. You're going to get access to AI YouTube Masterclass, and you're going to get access to generate thousands of views with paid ads on YouTube. And you're going to get access to the financial freedom formula, how to launch your own six-figure course, turn 1 hour of work a week into 2,000 plus a month, 60K in 4 weeks with email marketing, how to make $100 per day with email marketing, and you're going to get access to the new 20K challenge email swipes. So we're going to give you everything, your automated sales funnel, your email campaign that you can just copy, everything that you need to start earning these instant $1,200 per commission. You're going to get access to right this Friday. August 23rd is going to be the launch. And of course, you're going to get access to the live coaching sessions inside of our Facebook group. Now, the really, really awesome thing that your sales page, right? We're going to give you a sales page done for you where we're going to integrate an AI bot, right? An artificial intelligent bot, so that it's placed on your website and it can answer any questions that your prospects might have. So you don't have to be there present. You don't have to get on the phone with your customer. We're gonna have an AI bot chat on your website to help you answer any questions that your prospects might have to help you close that sale, right? To help you close that $1,200 per commission sale. So all this value, right? It's only going to be to get started $1,200 plus the $99 admin fee. Now the total value that you're getting is over $2,000, right? But you only can get started with $1,200 plus $99 admin fee. Plus, other than all that value that you're getting, you're going to get access to all of these 4 lower digital products: internet automation secrets, influence branding marketing, six-figure blueprint, and the influencer marketing. Okay, so you want to get started. You can simply go ahead and click here to join the Executive 90-Day Challenge. Again, you can't join today because the launch is happening on August 23rd, this Friday coming up. It's going to happen at 10:30 a.m. This website's going to be ready to go again until August 23rd, this Friday at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That is 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time. If you have any questions, you can, my Facebook link is at the bottom. Just shoot me a quick message and let me know, hey, I'm interested in getting started. I'm interested in earning $1,200 per commission. You can also enter your email address on my waiting list, right? So that I can send you an email to notify you once the launch happens on Friday. So you can go to successwithadriana.com, and that is where you're going to be able to see all the details. We'll get you up and running as soon as it's ready to go. But other than that, take action. Let's finish this year with a bang. And another really cool thing is that if you do hit your 20K in 90 days, right, we're going to be giving you a certificate of completion of achievement, right, of 20K in 90 days challenge. And if you're somebody so you're going to get this if you're outside of the US and you hit this target goal. Now, if you are within the US and you reach 20K in 90 days, right, you do reach that, you're up for the challenge and you crush it, you're going to be getting this award right here if you are within the US. So anyways, I'm super excited. Go ahead and visit successwithadriana.com. And again, at the launch, you'll be able to get in on Friday, August 23rd. Other than that, I will see you at the top.